What's up everyone, Vamp Calf back again with another RC tutorial, and today we're going to talk about endpoints. In my last video we talked about subtrim, and if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and click on that little guy right there and go ahead and set up your subtrim. Really, it doesn't matter if you do this first or the subtrim, whatever, but they're two very essential things that we need to ensure that our quad is going to be performing 100% both in response and in feel. So what we're going to go ahead and do first is plug in our little quad. Mine's a little quad, yours might be bigger. And I have to power mine up in order for my controller to work through beta flight. So once you're all plugged in, for some reason I have to close mine and reopen it, and now it doesn't want to work. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Okay, what you're going to go ahead and do is go into your receiver tab. Once you're in your receiver tab, you got your roll, pitch, yaw, throttle. And what we're going to do is ensure, first off, that all of our centers are close to 1500. Close enough. Alright, now, for the endpoints, what we're going to do... Now I have a FSI 6. And you guys might have something different, whether it be a Tyrannus or a Spectrum, but you guys will all have this in there somewhere. Endpoint. So here we go. Alright, so let's see here. First we got our roll, and the roll is coming in at 1020. I don't know if you can see it up here. 1020 to the left and 2000 to the right. So I have less throw to the left, so what we're going to do is increase. Increase it until it gets down to around 1,000. Alright, and 1,001 is as good as I'm going to get. Next we got channel 2 for pitch, and we got 2,000 on the upstroke and 1,003 on the downstroke. So this should be pretty good. We'll see if going one more, 998. We'll keep it above 1,000. All right. Next, we got our throttle. Throttle zeroed out is, but all the way on the top, we only got 1980. We're missing 20 on the throttle. We don't want that. I'll go ahead and increase it until it gets to a 2,000. A little over 2,000. There we go, 2001. Okay, last but not least, we got our roll. Or sorry, our yaw. I already did a roll. Roll is horrible to the right, so let's see here. We're going to go ahead and increase it until we get to 2,000. Just going to hold it in place. 2001. Beautiful. And our endpoints are set. Go ahead, save it. Now let's just double check. Pitch, 2,000 up, 1,003 down. Roll, 2,000 to the right, 1,001 to the left. And throttle, 1,000 at the bottom, 2,000 at the top. Yaw, 2,000 to the right, 1,000 to the left. And that will do it, my friends. As always, thank you very much. And if you want to, go ahead and click this little subscribe button down there. But also, if you want to, there's my channel link over there. And as always, have fun flying out there.